might get buried. Hold on. Oh, let me try lean it this way. Nope. Alright. Jerk off never calls anybody. Hey, don't be mad because I put that Honda gate to shame.
We went there.
You're a witness. Even though
my Can-Am fixed. Wait on the axles already.
Yeah. Damn cell phones. Woo, that's cold. Oh man!
Ended up every bush.
Hey, I need a favor from you.
Okay.
And you gotta do it.
What is it?
I need you to live stream with me.
No, I'm not doing it. I can't live stream.
You
I'm
can.
supposed to be here right now.
Oh no, not right now.
Yeah, oh yeah. Like, okay.
On Instagram live stream.
Yeah.
Because everyone wants me to interview you to ask why you really, honestly, to God, hate Can-Ams, but why did you buy one?
Oh God, that's all over this shit.
And
His rust are crazy about it. Yeah. I had to, man. Horsepower.
I did unsubscribe.
He always said the motors are good. The rest of it, you know. I got a torque locker, I got Demon axles, and then I got a billet diff. So eventually it'll be perfect.
Why did you go to Demon? I thought Rhinos were such a badass company.
Oh, they suck.
No shit.
First ride, pow! His are holding up good though. It just depends on the axle.
But you got Rhino 2.0s, right?
Yeah, he's got ones in the front, two Turners in the back.
Oh.
His Rhinos are better than his Turners.
Yeah. Fuck yeah, the Turners.
He's got 6-inch portals now, dude. That thing can turn those 40s like really well.
Yeah.
We couldn't get stuck earlier. We kept trying.
Yeah. I kept thinking I was hearing shit because I'm used to hearing shit.
I heard a couple
crack.
pop-pops in the front. It's not real loud though. Almost sounds like steering.
It probably is, dude, I think.
All right, let's go up that trail. It looks like it's gonna rain on us.
Yeah, it's Florida.
That's the perfect tire to be two-wheel drive with though, dude. They bite so hard. You don't need the front pulley.
There was this hole that was real nasty, and I just leaned in. It just got me out.
He's about to put the axle pad on 50D.
Yeah. But I need a secondary.
Broken. Yeah. Jeremy's been out of it for a while. We can have some again.
All right.
He gets them in batches, you know.
Yeah.
He's got some machine. This thing needs a top end.
Hey, I need a top end too.
It's not smoke. It's just low in compression.
Hey, am I recording?
Yep.
Yeah?
Oops,
sorry. Wait. I'm recording, right? All right. You just got me 1,000 views right there.
Oh yeah?
Hell yeah. I kind of want to hit it, but at the same time I don't because I'm on a two-wheel drive.
You go right through, it's not that bad. It's not too bad. They're just floating, you know, you can't touch the bottom.
What's your air pressure? God damn. And what, they're 13 wide? Two-wheel digging. It's hard to do a lot of things two-wheel digging.
Oh, I know. I know.
And you say silverbacks are what?
His wife's gonna kill him. Well, it's impressive because you're on a solid axle and you're single flight.
Three beers in, I'm ready.
Oh.
I'm gonna get stuck here.
Yeah, I'm not making that. You're almost out.
That's like a gear.
That was second?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you got the secondary and the primary.
Here's first gear. That tire's doing all the work.
You wanna sing Kumbaya with it? You're very welcome.